Financial planning is a key business process that helps organizations build plans, forecast performance, and adjust course as business conditions change. For effective planning, organizations need connected data, clear visibility into key metrics, and flexible, data-driven methods that support multiple business scenarios. Oracle Cloud EPM planning provides a modular, integrated solution across financials, projects, capital, and workforce, enabling connected enterprise planning. Within this, financials gives finance teams a structured way to plan and analyze revenue, expenses, income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow. Financials provides predefined content, including accounts, drivers, key performance indicators, forms, calculations, dashboards, and reports, so you can start with a best practice framework and configure it for your business. With the provided methodologies, you can perform driver-based planning to calculate financial and operational values using the business drivers that influence performance. Trend-based planning to project future values using historical results and trend assumptions. Direct input account-based planning to let planners enter values directly by account when calculations or trends are not the right fit. Predictive planning to evaluate future performance based on historical data and time series forecasting. And rolling forecasts to plan continuously across weekly, monthly, quarterly, or period-based horizons, depending on how financials is configured. You do not need to choose only one method. Financials lets you combine planning approaches, so each part of the plan uses the method that fits best. You can also leverage a wide variety of data sources to build plans and forecasts, including actuals, historical trends, and driver assumptions. When creating an integrated financial plan, you can combine summarized financials data with detailed inputs from other modules, such as workforce and capital. For example, workforce planning contributes compensation and headcount expenses, while capital planning contributes asset-related expenses, such as depreciation. Flexible configuration allows you to enable features incrementally and evolve your planning process over time. Plan your selections carefully because enabled features cannot be disabled. You can also bring in additional business dimensions such as product, service, and cost center, and define custom drivers and metrics specific to your organization. You can load actuals and perform variance analysis between plan and actuals to evaluate performance and refine forecasts. Rolling forecasts can run in parallel with annual plans, supporting both driver-based and trend-based forecasting approaches. You can also import your chart of accounts and define hierarchies, enabling alignment with existing financial structures and supporting trend-based planning. Financial planning with Cloud EPM enables you to effectively implement data-driven planning across your organization. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.